back to our channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you two recipes. One is Parmesan cheese, and it's not cashews. It's not made with cashews. It's another seed. And another recipe I'm going to be showing you, it's an inspiration on the salad that we love from Dai Pai. It's a restaurant from Edmonton that we really like. So let's begin with the recipes. Okay, the base for this Parmesan cheese is going to be raw pumpkin seeds. So this Parmesan cheese is going to be super nutritious. Make sure you use a coffee grinder. I have this one I really loved. I've had it for a while now. And we're just going to add all the ingredients and that's it. Just like that. Make sure that when you buy pumpkin seeds, to always put them in the fridge. So we're just gonna grind this, and then I mix it a little bit to make sure that all the seeds are all crushed, and then I pulse again and make sure that it ends up like a Parmesan cheese consistency. This is a recipe that I've made. This is my recipe, and I think this is the best flavor wise recipe for Parmesan cheese. I really like Parmesan cheese when I wasn't vegan, and for me this is the best taste. Even non-vegans and vegetarians have told me that the flavor is on point. So I think this is the best. I hope you like this recipe because I think it's the best. And another thing is, when you make this is just like Parmesan cheese, you have to keep it in the fridge for freshness. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the salad, and as I mentioned before, it's inspired by the one from Dai Pai. We wash the leaves we wash the kale leaves, and then we dry them like so. So the next step is removing the stem. You use scissors and watch out for your fingers. And on the side you see all the ingredients I'm going to be using, and we're going to chop it with our hands just like that. And it will take no time. And you cut it the way the best shape or size you want. I want smaller pieces because kale tends to be a little bit dry. And then we add the oil. Make sure that you use regular oil, like not too much flavor, like canola oil or avocado oil. And we're gonna massage every leaf, making sure that all of them are coated. And that's it. Like, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. We're gonna add as much as the Parmesan cheese as you want. I like lots, and Dai Pai does the same thing, and I love it. And they just mix it like that, and I just add more. And if you wanted to eat it just like the one from Dai Pai, they use a little bit of smoked paprika. Some people don't like it, so if you don't like it, don't add it, but if you do, just add a little bit at a time. And then you can use the Parmesan cheese for pasta. And well, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!